Okay, dear students, in the last class we have already started 6.5 exercise. Okay, concepts we have understood and exercise also we have started, examples we have done and exercise also we have started, and one question with 4 parts we have done in the last class. Now let us see second question. 5 parts are there. Those 5 parts we are going to complete in this class. Okay. Let us first part of second question. Same maximum value, minimum value, how to find if any available, like heading is there and each function they are giving. One by one I am going to do and rub. First part. See. F of x is equal to modulus x plus 2 minus 1. Okay. This is the function. This function you have to find maximum value, minimum value, if available both. Okay, like that. Okay. See here, logic is what we are going to do. First of all, you see, modulus of x plus 2 is always greater than or equal to 0. Is it correct or not? You tell me. Correct only. Why? Because see, modulus of x plus 2 is always greater than or equal to 0. It may be 0 or greater than 0. Never becomes minus, negative or less than 0. Okay. See, if modulus of x plus 2 is equal to 0. See, greater than 0 we are not taking. It may go up to infinity. That we don't bother. But equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then what will be x? Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because if x is minus 2, automatically minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then 0 it is going to become. Okay. Now you come back again. At x is equal to minus 2. F of x is equal to minus 1. Why? Because if x is minus 2, automatically this is going to become 0 and minus 1 will come. F of x is equal to. Okay. This thing you have to draw in graph. Okay. We will draw graph, but let us see remaining points also. See, this is a turning point and this value may be minimum or maximum. We don't know. Let us see. Why? Because see, less than minus 2, one more point you take. Greater than minus 2, one more point you take, and take the value f of x. Based on those values, you can tell this f of x is minimum or maximum. Okay. Okay. See, I am taking minus 3. At x is equal to minus 3, less than minus 2 I am taking. Afterwards, greater than minus 2 also we will take. F of x is equal to, you see, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay? Okay. Let us come again. See, minus 2 less than 1 point you have taken, but greater than minus 2 also you take 1 point. 0 is greater than only, but we will take 1. Okay, 1. At x is equal to plus 1, f of x is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you draw the graph. Okay, see how I am drawing the graph. Okay, see, what are the inputs? Minus 2, 3 plus 1. That means, see, I am taking minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Is it okay? Minus 3 to up to plus 1 will be the input. Okay. Outputs are what? Minus 1, 0, 2. That means, see, here up to 2, 1 and 2. 0 will be there. Okay. Here minus 1 only. Okay. Okay. All okay. Now come back again. At x is equal to minus 2, minus 1 was the value. At x is equal to minus 2, minus 1. Okay. This will be the value. At x is equal to minus 3, 0. At x is equal to plus 1, 2. See how graph is coming. What shape it is? V shape. If graph is V shape, is there a maximum value or minimum value? Minimum value. Why? Because see, the value is goes on increasing, decreasing, afterwards goes on increasing. Okay, this is the least value. That means here you are having only minimum value. What is the minimum value? This is the minimum value. Why? Because this point is a turning point. A turning point value is minus 1. That means you write minimum value is equal to minus 1. Is there maximum value? No. Write maximum value, not there, or else no maximum value. You understand now? Okay. Minimum value minus 1, maximum value not there, no maximum value. Okay. Let us go for second question. Okay. See the part 2 of the second question. G of x is equal to minus of modulus x plus 1 plus 3. Okay. See here we have to find maximum value, minimum value if exist. Okay. See here also I am taking this modulus of x plus 1 first. Modulus of x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Is it okay? Okay. It never be less than 0. Why? Because modulus value cannot be less than 0. Okay. If modulus of x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Is it okay? X is equal to minus 1 plus 1, 0. Okay. That means turning point is minus 1 here. Write down. At x is equal to minus 1, g of x is equal to 3. Why? Because this is going to become 0. Minus 0 plus 0 doesn't bother, but value is 3. Okay. Okay. See, 3 may be, I am underlining, 3 may be maximum value or minimum value. We don't know. We have to see remaining inputs after giving. Okay. See, I am giving less than minus 1, minus 2. At x is equal to minus 2, g of x is equal to minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, modulus of minus 1, plus 1, minus of plus 1, minus 1, minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, definitely okay. See, minus 1, less than minus 1 you have taken, but greater than minus 1 also you have to take. Take x is equal to greater than minus 1, 0 also you can take, but I will take 1 plus 1. Then you go for g of x. 1 plus 1, 2. Modulus 2, 2. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, now you draw the graph. Okay. You see input what are all you are given? Minus 2 to 1. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1. Okay. Now you take the points. At x is equal to minus 1, value is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all positive values only. Okay, let us see. At x is equal to minus 1, 3. At x is equal to minus 1, 3. Okay, okay. At x is equal to minus 2, 2. At x is equal to minus 2, 2. Okay. At x is equal to plus 1, 1. At x is equal to plus 1, 1. Okay. See graph how it is coming. Inverted V. Inverted V means maximum value. What is the maximum value? 3 is the maximum value. See, rather than 3, remaining all less than 3 are there. That is why 3 will be the maximum value. Okay, no minimum value. Write down, no minimum value. Okay, What about maximum value? Maximum value is 3. Write down. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. Okay? Take this, we will go for third part. Okay? Okay. Let us go for third part of the second question. H of x is equal to sine of 2x plus 5. Okay. See, here something I want to write. Sine 2x is greater than minus equal or less than plus 1. Is it okay? Why? Because entire 2x you take as theta. Sin theta will be greater than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to plus 1. Is it correct or not? Correct. Okay. Once again I am writing here, you see the sin theta I am talking about. Or else sin theta. Okay. All silver teacups, all sine. Okay. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 370, 270 degree, 360 degree. 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay. Okay. See, by seeing this circle diagram of sin theta, you can say that minimum value is -1, maximum value is +1. Why? Because 0 will be in between. -1 is the minimum value, +1 is the maximum value. Okay. Now you see even graph also. Like this it will be. Okay. That means what I want to say, see, maximum value also will be there. Minimum value also will be there for sin theta. Okay. See, variable is sin theta only. +5 is not variable. Okay. That means you have to concentrate on here only. Okay. See, I have concentrated sin 2x. If sin 2x is -1. If sin 2x is equal to -1, h of x is equal to -1 plus 5, that is equal to 4. Okay. If sin 2x is equal to +1, h of s is equal to +1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Now you tell me, is there turning point? Definitely turning point. Why? Because this is the turning point. Until the turning point increasing, afterwards decreasing. Until the turning point decreasing, afterwards increasing. Turning points are there, but maximum minimum values are also there. Okay. Write down maximum minimum value. Four. Okay. Okay. Maximum value, write down 6. That's all. Why? Because see, whatever may be the x value, but entire sin 2x is going to become either -1 or +1 or in between. In between we don't bother. Minimum maximum only we are taking. Why? Because they are asking minimum value, maximum value. These are the minimum value, maximum value. That's all. Okay. Let us proceed for fourth part. Okay. See the fourth part. F of x is equal to modulus of sin 4x plus 3. Okay. Modulus of sin 4x plus 3. Okay. See here also simple thing. Sin 4x I am taking. You see. Sin 4x is, entire sin 4x is greater than or equal to -1 or less than or equal to +1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Then you see here how. See, again I am not writing this circle diagram and graph of sin theta. Why? Because already for third part I have written. Okay. You go through it. But now I am writing. You see, at sin 4x is equal to -1. F of x is equal to -1 plus 3 modulus. That is equal to 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, write down. At sin 4x is equal to +1. Why? Because minimum maximum they are asking. Minimum is -1, maximum is +1 for sin x, sin 4x. Sin 4x only, not entire this modulus thing. Okay, entire modulus thing again we are writing. Okay, then f of x is equal to 1 plus 3 modulus, that is equal to 4. By seeing these two, you can understand easily. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is 2. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 4. That's all. Okay. Write down. Minimum value is equal to 2. Maximum value is equal to 4. Is it okay? Definitely. Okay. See this question. This is very important question. Observe carefully. I am going to change afterwards interval, and I am going to change the question also. Not question, I am going to change one interval and we will see what values are going to come. Okay. First of all, tell me, this is open interval. -1 can you give? No. +1 can you give? No. Greater than -1? Yes, you can give. Less than 1? You can give. Okay. Then you draw the graph. See, this is -1, this is +1, this is 0. Okay. See, for the namesake you have given -1. -1 plus 1, 0. That means here point will come. But is this value you can able to give? No. That is why you take only bubble, open bubble. Okay, -1 input you have given, but output is 0. But that 0 is a open bubble. Why? Because you are not giving -1. Greater than minus only you have to give. Okay. +1 can you give? No. This also you cannot give, but you give and give, right, open bubble. +1 if you give, 2 will come. +1 and 2. See, 1 and 2. 2 here. That here also closed bubble, open bubble. Okay. Now you draw this open bubble, join this. Understand this? Okay. Now you tell me here 2 things you have to understand first. Is there any turning point? No. Okay. Because turning point not there, that is why no minimum value, maximum value. Not like that. First you understand here concept. Here no turning point. Okay. And also there is no fixed points. Open intervals are there. -1, greater than -1 you have to give, less than +1 you have to give. That is why this question you have to answer, there is no maximum value or minimum value, or else you write like this: neither minimum nor maximum values. Okay, neither minimum nor maximum values are existing, like you write and close this question. Okay, over. Now I am changing this interval and you observe what will happen. See, changing means not values. Values same I am writing, -1 and 1 only, but now I am keeping this closed interval. Okay, now we come back again for graph and all. Again you draw the graph. What are the values? -1, 0, 1. -1 can you give? Yes, I can give -1. Then you give -1. +1 can you give? Yes, +1 I can give. If I give +1, 2. Okay, yeah, then you draw. Okay, now you come here. At x is equal to -1, h of x is equal to -1 + 1, that is equal to 0. Okay. At x is equal to +1, h of x is equal to 1 + 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. Now you tell me, is there maximum value and minimum value? First of all, is there a turning point? No. Then turning point not there, that is why there is no maximum value, minimum value. May not be always. Why? Because see here, closed bubble. This is a fixed interval, closed interval. In closed interval, maximum value, minimum values exist. Here minimum value is 0, maximum value is 2. Both are exist right now. Minimum value is equal to 0. Maximum value is equal to 2. Okay. -1 + 1, 0, +1 + 1, 2, 0 and 2, minimum and maximum values. Okay. See, this is the conceptual question. See, this interval I have changed. In book they have not given, but if you change this, then this will be the value. If you don't change, automatically open interval is there, means no maximum, no minimum values are there. Okay. See, we stop this class here. We will take further concepts in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.